I'm the Riddler.
Wait.
I'm the Riddler.
I'm Junkyard Dog.
And I'm Ebooks. The first problem that we want to tackle is that the Willow Tree website is outdated. It's underdeveloped and it lacks modern accessibility features.
In short, the website's aging. And this is just going to get worse as modern web browsers continue to abandon these aging standards. In order to absolve this, we are putting forward 4 points to mitigate the disaster that is to come. First, we want to update the code to modern internet standards. We want to add mobile compatibility for both desktop and different form factor mobiles. Update graphical fidelity and add modern amenities to improve access for both the users and back-end load on the server. Now, we know that Willow Tree's budget is tight, to say the least. But what if we were to tell you that nearly all of the issues that we are planning to tackle can be solved by any novice using readily available online resources? First off, we want you to keep it yourself. We know that it's very tempting to use websites such as Weebly or Squarespace or WordPress to streamline the process and make it a lot easier. But when going down that route, you're beholden to the companies that are hosting the website. But if you keep it yourself, not only do you have the creative freedom to do whatever you want with your website in the future, it also gives you a lot of negotiating leverage when trying to come up with a price with web developers and doing updates that you can't do yourself. So keep it yourself. After that, we want to convert the 20-year-old, at this point, HTML6 to modern HTML5. Now, there are plenty of online resources that allow you to step-by-step convert it over in a matter of 1-2 hours. After that, we want to add Bootstrap. Bootstrap will allow your desktop version of your website to be used on mobile and desktop. Now, we know you have a mobile version, but it's not properly deployed and it's only half built. Why have 2 versions of your website when you can only have 1? It'll cut down on cost and maintenance. After that, we want to make it look nicer. So we want to take all those real-life images you have and all the graphical images and spruce them up a bit. Take modern HD photos, replace them with those 480p ones you have on the website. And it's as simple as deleting the old ones in the website's image folder and replacing them with the ones you want. And after that, this is the only part where you're actually going to have to hire someone. Adding modern ease of access tools is a bit complicated and you're going to want to experience web development. But since we're doing all the other stuff ourselves, the cost will be greatly mitigated.
The next problems we identified is the funders do not want to pay for advertising, and there's a lack of awareness of what Willow Tree is and what it does in the community.
Our idea to help get funding for Willow Tree in order to pay for advertising is a sustainable fundraising idea on an annual basis. It's a masquerade ball with a mystery auction. Imagine every mask on this slide stands for a company or an organization that Willow Tree partners with. Each one will be giving away a community incentive to the highest bidder, such as an article in a newspaper or a plaque at their headquarters. And then they can use those funds that they win towards publicizing Willow Tree's mission. There is one catch. The organization name will not be revealed until the end of the auction. It will be a blind auction in which the bidders are only given a description of what the organization does in order to prevent name bias. So this is an auction for community incentives. It's benefiting Willow Tree as well as their partners. Willow Tree can use their take from it to publicize their missions. And as they're publicizing their mission, they're going to be gaining more clients. And so they'll be referring more people to their partners. So as they're drawing in more people, they're also providing resources for those new clients that they'll be bringing in.
So how is this unique? This is an original style blind auction. Like Ebooks said, you will not know who you're bidding on until the end. And this allows for to eliminate bias when bidding. And this is mutually beneficial for organizations, including Willow Tree. This creates a cash flow for everyone that Willow Tree can use to help their clients or whatever they need. And instead of her relationship with the other organizations being just through the web or through text. This is a face-to-face way to get them right in front of each other and working together. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks, guys.